In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unexpected or unwanted objects in Photoshop quickly and cleanly. Whether it's a random person in the background, a distracting item on the ground, power lines in the sky, or anything else that ruins an otherwise perfect photo, Photoshop has some incredibly powerful tools that can erase those objects in seconds. The best part is that you don't need to be a professional retoucher to do this. With the latest Photoshop tools, especially the new AI-powered features, removing objects is faster and easier than ever before. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through two of the most effective methods you can use right now, including the fastest AI method using Generative Fill and a super simple brush-based method using the Remove tool. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right into Photoshop. First, we're going to look at the fastest and most powerful method, which is Generative Fill. This AI-powered feature can intelligently remove objects and rebuild the background automatically. Start by opening your image inside Photoshop. Once your image is open, you need to select the object that you want to remove. The easiest way to do this is by using the Object Selection tool. You can press W on your keyboard to quickly select it from the toolbar. Now simply click and drag around the object you want to remove. Photoshop will try to automatically detect the object within that selection. If the automatic selection isn't perfect, you can also use the lasso tool by pressing L on your keyboard and manually drawing a selection around the unwanted object. Just make sure the object and a small area around it are included in the selection, so Photoshop has enough information to rebuild the background. After making the selection, look for the contextual taskbar that appears near your selection. Here you'll see the Generative Fill option. Click on Generative Fill. A prompt box will appear, but in most cases you don't need to type anything at all. Simply leave the prompt empty and click Generate. Photoshop's AI will now analyze the surrounding pixels and automatically remove the object while filling the background in a realistic way. In just a few seconds, you'll see new variations appear in the Properties panel. You can cycle through these variations to choose the result that looks the most natural. This method works incredibly well for removing people, objects, trash, signs, and many other distractions from your photos. For most situations, Generative Fill is the fastest and cleanest solution available in Photoshop right now. Now let's look at another very useful method called the Remove tool. This is perfect when you want a quick one-brush fix. To access it, go to the toolbar and find the Spot Healing tool group. Click and hold on that icon and then select the Remove tool from the list. Once the Remove tool is active, adjust your brush size so it's slightly larger than the object you want to erase. You can do this quickly using the bracket keys on your keyboard. Now simply paint over the unwanted object. As soon as you release your mouse or pen, Photoshop will automatically analyze the surrounding area and replace the object with nearby pixels. The result is usually very smooth and natural, especially for small distractions like wires, dust spots, small objects, or background imperfections. If the first result doesn't look perfect, you can simply paint over the area again and Photoshop will recalculate the fill. And that's how easy it is to remove unexpected objects in Photoshop. Using Generative Fill for AI-powered removal and the Remove tool for quick brush fixes gives you two extremely powerful ways to clean up your photos in just seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips, tricks, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.